What is up, YouTube? I'm with my dad today, and we are on our way to work on something a little different today. So me and my dad are on the hunt for a tractor for his little sand and gravel business, and we found a backhoe that's possibly a good candidate for what we want to do. The only problem is it's been sitting for, I would say, what, Dad, like 10-15 years?
Yeah,
it's been sitting for a long time. We've had our eye on this tractor for a really long time, and the opportunity finally came up to where we can possibly buy it, but we're trying to see if the hydraulics work. We spent some time on it yesterday trying to get it to start. My dad, I had to leave because we had to go run an errand, but my dad said it fired up whenever I left. And then we went again today, but I had to do another errand. And when we went, it did fire up again, but it didn't stay running, and then we couldn't get it to run again. So now we're on our way back over there. We got some starting fluid, we got a freshly charged battery, and so we're hoping that we can get it to run long enough to where we can at least move the hydraulics and see if something moves. If something moves at least a little bit, we know the pump is good, which means we just need to buy it, load it up, bring it home, see if the injectors are working, see if the injection pump is producing enough fuel pressure, and that's it. It is a diesel. It's a Ford 3500. Haven't checked the label to see if it's what year model it is or what. But if you know anything about these tractors, if you know any cool tips and tricks that we can do to get it to stay running, comment down below. But I'll see you guys whenever we get there. All right. So this is a tractor. Oh, it's a backhoe, but this is what we're gonna work on. What you guys are seeing me pour in there is some transmission fluid. Sometimes on these old diesel engines, they're so old they don't build up good compression. Put a little bit of transmission fluid down the intake manifold. It should help build a little bit more compression. Don't put too much because then you'll hydrolock the engine. Put just enough to where you feel like the engine will turn just fine. And I think this is what's actually getting the engine to start. But we're gonna find out, especially now that we actually have a good charged battery and some juice, since we're gonna be using the battery charger that's over there, plus probably the truck. So hopefully she'll start and run long enough to where we can run some of this hydraulic equipment. Let's get going.
A guy trying to come take it from us.
Oh, really?
Top dog, so she kind of took over there. Try to get that.
Papá, cada vez que le echaba se prendía más.
Se ahoga. Cuando le eché poquito, just keep on trying to run.
It's trying to run off that transmission. No, because that's what's not working.
Ahí está. Oh, está prendido.
No, it's not on there. No, porque si prende con Inter, sigue la pescando. I guess that settles that. Surprised the line didn't blow. Let's see if we can make a run here. Let's see. Ready? Keep spraying it.
Good sign right there.
Yeah, I think we got at least one injector. Well, as you can see, we got it running, and I think there at the end it started running on its own power, which means the injectors are working, which means the injection pump is working. So we're buying it. We're gonna buy it, and then maybe tomorrow, if we get a chance, we'll probably try and load it on the trailer, get it home so we can start taking some stuff apart. Probably have to order a new radiator. I'll show you guys. That radiator's toast, so we'll order a new radiator, get a new belt for the water pump and the alternator, and yeah, she ran. So we're pretty excited. We were able to get the bucket to move. I was able to get this leg to go down. So what do you think, Dad?
Good.
Taking it home?
Taking it home.
Taking it home. Okay. Not today, but we are coming back for it. I guess we'll you got the money?
Not here with
Now
me.
but we'll go get the money, and then this will be our new little project tractor, and it won't be a project for long. We're gonna put it to work as soon as it's running good, has water and maybe some fresh oil. But yeah, why are you not focusing? Focus. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Good results. All right, Dad, let's get everything picked up, and I guess if you want, we'll go get the money. Well, guys, I didn't really record a video for the outro, so say what's up. Say what's up, YouTube.
Why?
That's not a word. But if you want a detailed video on how we got that tractor started, now they've never been able to get it started. And on top of that, that tractor's been sitting there for well over 10 years. Like, I know I've been seeing it there for well over 10 years. So it's been sitting a while. And I say 10 on the low end. But now that it's running, we're going to probably try and bring it home tomorrow. But if you would like a detailed video on how we were able to get it started, kind of some tips and tricks that I've done on diesel engines to get them to run, especially after they've been sitting for a long time. Zeke, don't fall off the couch. Just let me know, and I will post another video of the Ford and show you guys what I did to get it going. Later, YouTube. This is all hands on. Signing out. Well, not my wife ruining the video.